Hello guys, today we discuss about one new project which name is Digital Decentralized Developer. I support all the beginning of developer. The project deserves special attention. Already we are interesting project and waiting of success. So first of all of this project we discuss about products, tokenomics, roadmap, team, fake contact. So first of all, Digital Decentralized Tailor. This is the project white paper, easily to click there. More information you receive. Anyone who need more info about this project to click easily there and easily receive more information. This is the audit of this project. Go to pre-sale page. Pre-sale is ongoing, already ongoing. 21 days, 12 hours, 5 minutes and 58 seconds remaining. Go to pre-sale page and easily buy digital token. My personal opinion is that everyone join this amazing and wonderful project. This is the one of the best project in 2021, and this is the great project. So come and join the considerable project. First of all, we'll discuss about products, digital objectives. Using the latest blockchain technology for building digital currency. Digital set this currency all because we strongly believe in the future development of the crypto market. Its core project, I really appreciate it, will support you till the end. Hope your project will go to the moon in the future and believe it. This is a very cool campaign that I have been waiting for a long time, more precisely around 2, and I will too happy to become part of a large crypto family. This project deserves more public attentions. Everything is mentioned there, and click there to easily you join digital objectives, digital tokens. This is the tokenomics of this project. Pre-sale detail. DTM token platform, Binance Smart Chain. Smart contract address is that, total supply is that, available token. This is the, it all start with a plan. Pre-sale stage 1, pre-sale stage 2, DTM. It is all are ongoing in the plan. Is the very amazing tokenomic structure. It is, I appreciate this project. So scroll down, we will see the futures of products. Crypto exchange platform accessible. They give to his member these the few amazing futures. Digital cryptocurrency everyday transactions. Digital enable easy crypto transaction, payment security, guaranteed access to the store fund, crypto exchange. Everything you see there. This is the amazing future who give his members in few days. This is the amazing presentation video about digital decentralized teller. This product is very unique, different from the other. Besides that, I see a team that is very reliable and experienced in managing this project. I'm sure this project will bring and success later. Let's join us until this project end. If your actions inspire others to dream more, we will see this video and easily to understand all the future, all the points, all the idea about this project. Simple and safe storage your fund. Digital provide to more and more security about all other apps and other projects. You easily save your funds and security easily. So tokenomics will discuss, already discussed about tokenomics. Purchase, well, it's not too late. Click there to easily to join this pre-sale who's already ongoing. It's not too late to you lost a big opportunity. And a roadmap, we'll discuss about roadmap. A wonderful project, wonderful roadmap. The year where it is list started 2021, expanding quick and steady 2022, and 2023 booming the market. 2024 investment pays off. In Q4 2021 we are onboarding new partners, business and environmental interest in education of digital. This is the wonderful thing of this project. Executive team, a group of talented businessmen and professional blockchain expert. Alien Giorgio Luca and the Tibrio Nadella and the Yugan Tufan. It is the Peter Bata and Marian Oncia. It is the amazing, respectful and promising team, promising advisor. Advisor is John Kurivar, Peter Eisen. It is a very fantastic advisor of this wonderful project. From frequently asked question, one of the most interesting and promising projects for today. Do not miss the chance to participate. This project is very good for the future. Thanks for being the best team. And the other is that this is a wonderful project. A wonderful project. Give a frequently asked question about this project. One click to what is digital, to one click to submit your answer to these lines and easily to submit your answer. So this is amazing question you give. And press releases, these exchanges are pressed in support of this project, and this is in the social media links. You will click there to easily to contact our message, convey to our message of this wonderful project. So my personal opinion is that everyone to join this project by Digital and join their pre-sale page. Everyone join their projects. A great project, a great team. It will get better position and a bright future in few days. This is a great project, so come and join the considerable project. I trust we can together and achievement success is waiting for you. Thank you very much.